Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G60s, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. And before we get started, you'll need to grab one of these things, a SIM ejector. It comes provided with the device in the box, but you could also use a paper clip if you can't find it. Just straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well as this little thing. So once you got one of those, you're going to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the phone, as you can see right here. And when you push it in, the tray just pops out ever so slightly, enough for you to grab it. And on here you have space for either two different SIM cards. If you're planning to use two SIM cards, you would just place one of them sideways on the SD tray, like I just did right now. And if you're planning to use one of each, then let's move it over and pop the SD card on the spot right here. And then carefully you want to insert it back into the device. Carefully, because there is nothing holding those cards in place, so they could just kind of like pop out. There we go. And as you can see, the cards are immediately read by the device. So there is the SIM for the SIM card, or SIM pin for the SIM card. And you also have a pop-up right here for the SD card. So as you can see, both of them are working just fine with no need for any extra steps. And that is how you'd insert them. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.